Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. I have a different background because currently I have sort of fled to Wyoming because cases were getting kind of scary where I was at. But nonetheless, I'm going to be bringing you the reviews that you want. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some products from Kaja Beauty. I have seen this brand for a long time. Every time I see them in Sephora, I'm just like, I should buy that, but then I don't, because it's never really something I need, but it's always something I want. You know what I mean? Their whole thing is as cute as it is good, which I love. They are a K-beauty brand that has decided to bring K-beauty to more of a global audience. I've got 4 products to try out today. I've already put on my base because I am not trying any complexion products. But honestly, everything from this brand is just very cool and kind of innovative and super fun. So let's just dive right in. The first thing we're gonna start with is the Mochi Pop Bouncy Blendable Blush. Mochi Pop Bouncy Blendable Blush. Say that 5 times fast. Mochi Pop Bouncy, nope, can't even say it once. I got this in the shade Spoils of Mars, and this is $19. So it's like a little up there in price. So this blush, I am super excited to try. This was the packaging, by the way, super cute. And here is the actual blush. Look how cute she is. I like that it's kind of monochromatic. There she is. You can see it's a little bit metallic. What is really exciting about this blush is that it is very reminiscent of the Bouncy blush that I think it was Maybelline or maybe CoverGirl had back in the day that I used to wear all the time in middle school. Like literally me and also my friend Natalie Cloca, shout out Natalie, we literally used to pile this stuff on our faces, and it was so fun because you could just press your finger in it, which I'm kind of afraid to do to this, but I kind of want to do it. Should we do it? I'll give you the up close. That makes me so happy. Okay, so I think the way I'm going to apply this, let me just see what the consistency is like. Oh, it's very like cloud-like. I think what I am going to do is apply this with my beauty blender. So I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender right into the product, and we're gonna see if that gives us enough coverage. I also just don't really have a mirror with me today. Just like the one that's in my makeup. I don't have my real mirror. This is really pretty, actually. This sort of has like a pearlescent thing that's almost like opaly. That's a really pretty color. Oh my God. Why do I love this? I just personally like love a cream blush. Like I am all about it. I know this is a lot, but I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. The finish is really natural. It's almost a similar finish to like what I already had going on. It's just kind of straight pigment. Oh, it's so cute. I love that. Okay, well, already I'm obsessed with that. That blends really easily, and the pigment is obviously really nice, but it doesn't apply too much at once to the point where like, you know, you're feeling like it's really scary. I think that's beautiful and easy to use. Wow, okay. Bam, easy. The next thing I'm gonna be trying is the Beauty Bento Bouncy Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. Are these bouncy too? I didn't realize if they are. And this is $21. So this is actually a really good product value because it's $21 for like 3 full shadows. You'll see what I mean. This comes in a bunch of different colors, but I only bought one. So look at this, this is so cute. So it goes off the idea of like a bento box, and these like stack, like it's almost like one of those pens that has a bunch of colors. I'll show you each one. This is the top color. Can you see in there that it's got like pink sparkles in it? It kind of looks like it's just one shade in this. This one, which is a nice matte brown. And this one, which is a matte sort of plummy brown, which I just kind of scratched. These are really pretty. I've got another eye product I'm gonna try too, but I'm gonna start with these guys. I think what I'm gonna do is just start with a fluffy brush. I might just sort of grab my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette and start with a cream shade just to make sure we're nice and good, and then put a little bit of a transition shade. You definitely don't need to do this. You could create a look entirely with the Bento palette, I'm sure, but palette, can I call this palette? It's kind of a palette. It's 3 shadows, 1 product. And let's just see how she blends out. The real test of a shadow is a matte shadow. You know, you can't test a brand just by shimmers. That blends out really nicely. It's not super pigmented, but I think that kind of is the K-beauty thing. You know, it's like washed out, cloudy, sort of like pretty pigment that doesn't necessarily have to be like super poppy. Let's go ahead and try the next shade down, the darkest shade in the palette. And I am just going to pat a little bit of this on, ooh, that looks like it has more pigment, on the outer corner. I think this is a really pretty color setup too. It reminds me of something sort of Charlotte Tilbury-esque, where it's got like brown shades that have hints of pink in them, you know? Next, I'm gonna take this small brush. Oh my God, I just realized I never contoured my nose. Crisis averted. So I'm gonna take that same little small brush, and I am just going to take a little bit of the darkest shade and drag it on my lower lash line. That's really pretty. Well, part of me wants to see what the full look would look like by just using this on the lid, but I do have another product I'm really excited to use on the lid, so I'm gonna do it on one eye and just see. Let's see how, ooh, let me show you the swatch. It's got a really pretty metallic moment. Okay, let's put her on the lid. And we may end up covering her. Oh, I think that is such a pretty shade. The formula itself isn't super creamy. I find it slightly chalky on this metallic, but the color is really pretty. I like that it's got this duochrome thing. Like, this is just like right here, standard perfect smoky eye, like you're ready to go, you know what I'm saying? So for $21, you've got a full eye look here, and this is a really interesting color. But this is what I'm even more excited about. This is the Kaja Moon Crystal Sparkling Eye Pigment. Look, it's got this fun, like, hollow packaging. And this is in the shade Dark Matter. So this is a different vibe from what we've got going so far, but that's okay. This is like a sort of cream liquid shadow. A lot of air in there. That's a little weird. I don't love that personally, because it's like I paid for the product, didn't I? But I also did take this on a plane, so I could have kind of messed with how it was. Ooh, yep. You can already tell that the pressure is weird in there because it just started coming right out. Why don't I swatch this bit? So this is a blue. Ooh, that's pretty. It's not too dark, which I like. I feel like a lot of blue, this type of thing, is like that really dark smoky blue. This is like bright, which is kind of fun. My middle school self is really like loving all of this. Let's see what it looks like on the eyes. I'm just going to apply this with my finger because I honestly don't think I have a better brush. Whoa. That is metallic. That is exciting color. I think I'm gonna let it dry and then put on another layer. So why don't I do the other side? On that eye, it looks kind of patchy. I would like to see this applied with like a flat tip brush. I just don't have that where I am. But also it does kind of pick up. There's still bits of patchiness. Like, it picks itself up a little bit. You can see that there's a big patch right there. Like, that's just completely uncovered, which is super annoying. Now I gotta go in again.
Oh God, that is so annoying.
Like I almost wish that I could dab like a bit of a blue eyeshadow on top of this so we could get the cool color and shine that this has, but then just kind of fill in the blanks, if that makes sense. Because I mean, really, this color is cool. It's like, it's very, very unique. Like it picks up in certain weird ways. I don't know, I think I preferred this look before the blue shadow got involved, personally. However, let's do our mascara and then move on to our next product. So my mascara is on and now we can move on to our final Kaja product. This is the Kaja Heart Melter Lip Gloss Stick in the shade 01 Too Hot. This is really cute. I'm really into anything that's like a lip gloss stick or a balm or anything that's really moisturizing and maybe a little sheer. And that seems like what this is. It's super cute packaging wise. Look at this. It's like super monochrome and then right, it's a heart. I think that's so cute. So I think you just twist it up. Oh, it's like takes a lot of clicks for it to kind of move. Let's try her out. Oh, she is pigmented. Let me actually look in the mirror. Oh, this definitely applies like a gloss. Wow. I kind of look like I did in middle school. This is a lot of makeup. It's just a lot of bright colors. I would probably switch back to the other eye look if I were, you know, wearing this look out anywhere. I wouldn't necessarily do this pretty red lip with everything else. I think this is fun. I think that the heart shape makes it kind of difficult to apply. And the other thing is that I feel like it clings a little bit to the dry skin on my lips. That being said, the skin on my lips is just particularly dry because I'm literally like in the mountains, like fully in the mountains. Honestly, my overall impressions, I am really impressed with Kaja. With the exception of this guy, which I think is a little patchy, and even though it's a unique pigment, I don't know, I think they could have done a better job formulating it. Like I said, maybe I need to apply it with a different brush, but fingers should make it easiest. So not loving this. However, the eyeshadows, pretty darn bomb. Nothing super insane about the metallic formula, but the color is really unique, even though you can't really tell in here. And then the mattes are formulated just so beautifully. And then the blush is just like so good. The blush, absolutely highly, highly, highly recommend. My favorite thing of the lot. And then this lipstick, it's cute, you know? It comes in other shades, it's hydrating. Nothing groundbreaking, but it's cute. Yeah, Kaja, keep up with it. What I really love about this brand is that, you know, they found a way to make makeup even more fun, which I really love because I love makeup and I want it to be as fun for everyone else as it is for me, you know? So any way you can do that, whether it's through these guys or a blush that you can squish or a heart-shaped lipstick, I think that's great. And those are my final thoughts. I feel like this video went by really fast, did it? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content of this nature. If you have any comments, suggestions for me, etc., leave them below. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.